This video is for Geowell GWSP pump head exchange instruction. Part 1 Preparation. Before conducting the repair work, we need to finish following preparations. First, product. The pump needs to be repaired. Second, tools. M5 inner hexagon spanner. Third, testing instrument. Vacuum gauge, noise meter, and thermo detector. Part 2 Repair procedure. Use the M5 inner hexagon spanner to remove the 5 socket head cap screws, which hold the pump head and the bracket kit along the diagonal direction. Hold the pump head firmly when removing the last socket head cap screw, to prevent the pump head from falling off. After removing the 5 socket head cap screws, keep them together for future installation. Install the elastic coupling on the coupling of the bracket and rotate it by hand. To check the motor's smooth rotation, confirm that it rotates smoothly and without blocking. The gasket and elastic coupling interlock with each other. Install and fix the new pump head and motor assembly, with the raised face of the cooling fan facing the elastic coupling. Hold the pump head firmly before tightening the socket head cap screws, to prevent the pump head from falling off. Install and tighten the 5 socket head cap screws to the bracket along the diagonal direction. Part 3 Result Test. Start the pump and run it in for 2 or 3 hours. Then confirm that the ultimate pressure, noise level, and temperature increase are within the rated values as shown in its operation manual. Now, the pump head exchange is finished. For more information about our oil-free scroll vacuum pumps, or to place an order, please contact us.